Morning, gents, people. Day 3 of asking the man to take out the Christmas tree, and he is about to be at it. There he is, packing away the telescope so we can make space.
A telescope is like something you move through.
Woo! I want to decorate it on Friday night.
Oh.
We're not doing it today.
Why?
Because I'm going to call my family, the people them, and play Christmas music and have a time.
Today?
No, Friday. When you get back from
School.
no,
School.
no.
Gymnastics.
Yeah. Ooh. Closet is a hot mess. Oh, I set these up. I'm going to also pack away my fall things. Why are you unpacking the bag?
So,
I would like to know that is her.
You would like to know?
So
What does that mean?
my dad is unpacking Christmas tree. Mom's vlogging too. And I want to show you guys my happy dance because Daddy is taking out the Christmas tree. So yeah.
Taking up space. But
There's a box
it can
inside of
transport
it
without
that's the
shape.
same size.
Huh?
There's a box inside of it that's the same size.
It can't be the same size if it's inside of it.
It's pretty much the same size. It's not that much.
So pretty much.
Oh, storage problems.
Hi, other blog.
Okay.
Daddy's
making our Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start over new. 'Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be?
What do you mean you're scared?
Like I'm scared to go digging, but did you put them away until Friday? Like at least organize them so we know
Which
what's
is
where.
which? Which?
But they're already in a box, but I want to dig them out because oh, okay. All right.
White.
Who is on his merry way? It's Santa. Who wants nothing more than bring you joy? Who has got a flying sleigh but Santa? Who keeps track of every girl and boy? The whole world knows him well as Saint Nick or Père Noël, and once a year he'll go barreling through the snow.
Okay, so we went to Dollarama to check out their Christmas stuff, and it was disappointing. Got a few knickknacks, but disappointing it was. These were that each, and then these nicer ones that were a little bit more for. And then I think these can open up. So you can make them, you know, a little bit. Ooh. Yeah. So you can open them up a bit. Okay, so I got these stems. See that they're like suede, velvet, whatever you call that. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of them. Since I don't have anything that passes for flowers, I thought, okay. These were nice. These were pretty nice. I really like these. And then I also got these ones, which come a little bit close so you can see they're red and they're, you know. And then I got 2, 4, 6 of these. I won't record on camera, but once I figure out what I'm doing, I will show you guys, because I don't have like a lot of space, like I've said before. I don't have like a lot of surfaces to decorate, so I feel very in the season, so I want traditionally Christmas things around to, you know, reflect that feeling. So yeah. I got one of these last year and printed pictures of our family and put them in there. So I got more so I could do that again for our tree. Got some stickers for scrapbooking. I have 2 of these already. And I got 2 more. Da-dee-da-dee-da. Some more candy cane ornaments for the tree. They could give real candy, but yeah, random Pringles. I also have some of these from last time. I got a few more. 2 more of these Christmas things to place the twinkling lights. I don't like to light them, so I like the battery operated twinkly ones. I thought I'd get 2 more Christmassy ones. Again, I already have some of these and they were there, so I got a couple. Handy dandy nutcracker for somewhere around. More candy cane hangers, ornaments, some plates for Christmas dinner. Ooh, napkins. And then a gingerbread house kit. I wanted to do one of these. I was thinking they'd be bigger, but wanted to try it, so there's that. And then the rest is just things that I showed you. So like the other one for this, and that was really it, which was kind of disappointing. Normally Dollarama is going in. I like the cheap stuff that don't look cheap. So, you know, we'll figure it out as we go. What are you gonna eat for dinner?
Well, that's weird. You said you don't know what you want for dinner. Daddy says he doesn't know.
I feel like you must spite me.
What does spite mean?
Doing something on purpose to get back at somebody. It's not very husbandly of you.
Not very dadly of you. I mean, my daddy, husband, dad doesn't make no sense. I'm a kid. He's my dad. You're a grown-up husband and wife.
Hey folks, we're in the Jamaican store. Caribbean store.
It says Indian food.
I want to get a head start on some things.
Santa.
Scotch bonnet pepper. Boo-boos. Get one basket, please. Thank you. I want to see if. Hey, do you have any sorrel? Not dry sorrel.
We have some frozen, I mean, fresh ones.
Yes,
We only
really.
get it Christmas time, right? We get the fresh
Oh.
ones, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Well,
It's frozen.
these look dry too.
Like frozen, right? So,
No, I bought ones that aren't frozen here last year and the
like
year
it's
before.
usually Christmas, like December, we get the fresh one.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'll come back and
Yeah.
look for the fresh
Yeah,
one.
probably first or second week of December it starts.
Okay. Thank you. Chivy, you're in the way. Excuse me, please. Thank you. Babe, put this in there. Should order something properly and I drop it in there. That's that fish. What's that party?
What's this?
You want to buy one of them and see if it tastes good? No? I see people are drinking. I don't want it for myself. I prefer the fresh one, but you want to try it? Why? You want to see if it tastes good? Be about the same thing, it just dry. Ew, no.
I like jackfruit.
In a can?
So, it's fine.
No, I'm not.
It's
No, I refuse. As a Jamaican who love jackfruit. First of all, I can't have anything in a can. And second, I refuse. I refuse.
nope, we're getting it. Nope, we're getting it.
Finger that come around and back. That's all I'm gonna come here for. The sorrel and
So I expect that someday.
do you guys ever get cake soap? Do you guys ever get cake soap? Like the blue detergent soap?
No, like we used to get a Crown Royal like that blue, like powder. Just
No.
for the white clothes like that.
No, Amanda. It would normally be
Be for the
like,
clothes too, right?
yeah, but
Something like that, eh?
but blue and don't usually have wrapping.
No, we don't. We never had it. Only thing that I was telling you was just the powder stuff, but that won't be.
Yeah, don't want that. Alright, thanks.
Okay, yeah.
Get zoot syrup. I'll put that on something. It's that saving higher.
Who is on his merry way? It's Santa.
Look, they're chocolate advent calendars. Kit Kat and Hershey's and Ferrero collection. Look at this. Might be worth it. This might be worth it. I'm gonna get this one because I love them. Okay. Have a happy Halloween Christmas. It's the best time of the year. You know what I would like? Some candy cane candies. I was trying to find some at the dollar store, but I couldn't. Baby, if you see any candy cane candies, I want some. Okay, here's some. That's what I'm talking about. This is what I mean. I don't want no chaka so not the chaka one. Here we go.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin